Now let's talk about the switch panel that controls all of the accessories that are installed in this boat. We'll run through them one by one. So let's start on the port side with our panel lights. This switch allows for illumination of all the switches that have accessories connected to them. Moving to starboard, we have a switch for the water heater. This is a DC water heater that allows for the outdoor shower and the head compartment to have a hot water supply. Moving to starboard, we have 3 accessory switches which are available for future installations of equipment that may be installed. This boat has 2 macerator pumps. Macerator 2 empties the forward box that's on deck. Macerator number 1 empties the fish box that's in the aft cockpit on the starboard side. When the switch is energized, you'll see a red telltale light appear. That means that the pumps are running. Moving toward the center of the switch panel, we have a parallel switch. The parallel switch allows the batteries to bridge each other and provide power to a battery that may be low from the batteries that are fully charged. To use it, you push and hold it while you're trying to start a motor or engage in electronic equipment. Next, we have a saltwater and freshwater pump switch. Saltwater provides raw water washdown, which gives you salt water from outside to wash down the deck. Freshwater is water that is pulled from the 50-gallon tank that's on board. This provides water to the freshwater washdown, the shower, the anchor locker washdown, and the head compartment sink. In the center of the switch panel, we have the bilge pump switches. They're labeled Bilge Pump 2, Bilge Pump 1, and Bilge Pump 3 on this boat. Pumps number 2 and 3 are the aft bilge pumps. Pump number 1 is the forward bilge pump that's located in the head compartment. When the pumps are turned on in the manual mode, a red telltale light appears on the switch. This also appears when the pumps turn on in the automatic mode. If you press the button and the red telltale stays illuminated, then you need to check the bilge to see why. It's either a stuck float switch or water in the bilge. Either situation needs to be corrected immediately. On the starboard side of the 3 bilge pump switches, we have a windlass switch. This powers the windlass circuit and is the first step in using the windlass system. When you press it, you'll be able to use your windlass from the switches either at the helm or forward. Blue light will be illuminated when you're able to use your windlass system. Your Nav Light switch turns on your red, green, and white navigation lights. These lights are to be used when you're steaming at night. Starboard side of the Nav Light switch is the Anchor Light switch. The Anchor Light switch illuminates the white anchor light that needs to be displayed when the boat is at anchor in the evening. The hardtop lights allow you to illuminate the lights that are installed on the underside of the hardtop. These lights are available in white, red, blue, and violet. To select the different colors, you simply press the button multiple times and you'll be able to select which color you'd like to have. This boat's equipped with 4 spreader lights. There's 1 on each corner of the hardtop. They shine forward from the forward lights and aft from the after lights. They're adjustable so you can divert the light if you'd like to have it shine on something different. They come in red, white, and blue. So to select the different colors, you simply press the button. Cockpit lights illuminate the cockpit sole. They're mounted under the gunnel on the sides of the liner. They come on in red, white, blue, and violet. To select the various colors, you simply scroll through the different colors by pressing the button multiple times. The cabin light switch turns on the cabin light circuit. There's an auxiliary switch in the head compartment that allows you to turn the switch on and off in the head compartment itself. The bait light switch turns on the lights that are mounted in the corner bait wells on this boat. We have two bait wells, one on port, one on starboard, and there's a light mounted in the compartment. This boat's equipped with a 12-volt Cockpit Fridge. To turn it on, you'll press the button that is labeled Cockpit Fridge, and that will allow it to operate while the boat has its battery power turned on.